know that the usual trigger for back pain and sciatica symptoms, it is due to wrong body posture and wrong body movements in doing usual day-to-day activities at home or in the office. Yes, including sweeping the floor and doing the laundry. That's why in this video, I will share with you the 5 activities that you need to avoid to prevent sciatica flare-ups and to prevent spinal surgery. Stay with me until the end because the last one, it is very common. Many have it wrong, and this is the usual mechanism of nerve impingement. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy. I'm glad to have you here. Your sciatic nerve, it is the largest and the longest nerve in your body, encompassing your lower lumbar spine, your buttocks, your lower leg, and your foot. And anytime it is compressed, either due to osteoarthritis or a problem in the disc, these can actually give you pain, numbness, pins and needle sensation, and even burning sensation in your lower leg and in your foot. To prevent sciatic flare-ups and to prevent spinal surgery, here are the 5 activities that you need to avoid. Avoid sweeping your floor or mopping your floor with your spine flexed. This is a usual culprit for sciatica flare-ups. Any position while doing these usual household activities can actually give you back pain and can trigger sciatica symptoms. Now, to help you, here is what you're going to do. You need to look for brooms or mops with longer handles. This way, you can clean your house with your spine in extension or in neutral position. This way, we prevent sciatica symptoms and we prevent back pain. Avoid sitting for too long. If you're one of those who's fond of watching TV straight, you need to avoid this because you know, sitting straight even for 30 to 40 minutes, it can actually increase the pressure in your disc by as much as 40%. This is also true if your current work entails sitting in front of the computer for extended period of time. What you need to do is to be mindful. You stand and stretch every 30 minutes. Don't underestimate this simple trick because these can literally lessen your symptoms. Avoid doing the laundry using very low chairs while your spine is flexed. Do you know that this can give you back pain, and many housewives can relate to this. This can also actually trigger sciatica symptoms. What you need to do is to bring your laundry in a counter. This way, while doing your household chore, your spine is in neutral position. We prevent flexion of your spine. You can also invest in a very good washing machine because these simple household chores, when done incorrectly, can actually worsen sciatica. Avoid rising from bed too quickly. I have mentioned this in this video here that there is a proper way of rising from bed. The improper way of rising from bed can actually put you in pain for days. The proper way is to do side lying. First, you drop your foot, then you push your body up using your hand. This is the best way, so we prevent any problem in the disc, we prevent back pain, and we prevent worsening of sciatica symptoms. If you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you can click the like button below. This way, the YouTube algorithm will show this video to other people who might need this information and who are also suffering from sciatica. Lastly, avoid improper lifting. Many patients diagnosed with sciatica are asking if it's okay for them to carry something heavy. The answer is yes, so long as you do it correctly and so long as it does not trigger your pain. The wrong lifting technique is actually the most common mechanism of nerve impingement and the most common cause of problem in the disc. If you need to pick up something from the floor, you need to bend your knee with your back straight. This way, we prevent back pain and we prevent worsening of sciatica. If you need to carry something, put it near your chest. This way, the weight is evenly distributed in your spine. Simple household activities, when done incorrectly, can actually worsen sciatica symptoms. Avoid these 5 activities and I promise you will feel better. We prevent sciatica flare-ups and we prevent spinal surgery because healing starts with awareness. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment where you are from in the comment section below because I would really love to know. If you want to know about the 3 drinks that you can incorporate daily in your lifestyle to help you manage sciatica naturally, we have a video here. It can also help you sleep better. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on our next video.